fill the muffin cups with paper. Do you know why we do that?
No.
So they don't stick. Yeah, they don't stick. It's in. It doesn't have to go all the way in.
Daddy, look!
Now, you're right there, buddy.
They don't have to go all the way in. You just throw on top.
Hey.
Look. Very nice. Okay, push that out of our way, and now we'll pour the mix into the bowl.
We're playing.
Try them on this hand, because you and me are lefties. But those are right-handed scissors, aren't they? You have to do your mouth like that. Next we need the
Water.
water.
Daddy's close.
Stay out of our video.
No sound.
Next we need the
Ha.
wow. I put the water in my hands.
The one. Nine. Wait. Daddy, dinner!
Good job, buddy.
I'll show you.
What's next? Let's see.
Show you.
We need
Look, wait.
3, awesome, buddy.
Gladiator.
You're okay.
we need 2
Yay.
2 eggs. I don't see any eggs in that drawer.
Daddy, work. Huh?
For a little while. I'll be back later.
I need to. Sam Carm.
I'll be back later.
Sam Thompson.
We decided we needed what? What's this? 2. What's that word? Eggs.
Ooh, cold. Woo, we're cold.
Good job. You have 2 eggs. Fantastic.
Let's sing.
Pretty fine.
Sing.
You just throw them in like this. Just throw the eggs in.
No, I don't.
What?
Nothing.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do with it?
Check.
Crack? Crack. Alright, let's try that.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this.
you dusty. We're washing. We're washing. Oh, the washer. You dirty.
Okay, now it's your job to stir the mix. Come and stir the mix. 6 of these. 6.
No doubt.
1, 2,
The sick.
3, 4,
5, 6.
5.
Sick.
That all? The 6?
You.
Keep stirring.
And you.
Your job is to stir.
Oh.
Your job is to stir.
Heck.
I will help you stir. Let's both stir. Okay?
Poo.
Finally, done. Stir. Minnie, the.
Poo.
Keep stirring. I don't think it's mixed up yet. That doesn't look right. Does that look right? Come over here. Okay. Keep stirring. Mix it up.
Lucky. Sunny. Sunny. Sunny.
Oh.
Oh.
My turn? And then you're going to have a turn?
No, it's hard.
It's not too bad. Come over here and help me. Okay, I stirred. Your turn. Your turn, Muscles. Stir it really hard. Need help?
Ow, poo.
Don't leave. You're not done. Come here. What's the next step? Look at the directions on the box. Here. Look at the directions.
Here.
Uh-huh. That's right. We put them in the cups.
Like that.
Okay.
Back. Back. Oh, hot, back, back.
It's not hot yet. Come here. I need you to help me. Okay, scoop.
The egg.
Big scoop. Okay. Yeah. Yummy.
Not you.
My turn.
You get on.
No,